Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make a quiz in Google Forms. Start by opening your form and creating a question for your quiz. As you can see, I have already added a title, description, question, and answer options. To turn this into a quiz, click on the Settings option. Toggle the Make This a Quiz option to On. Here you'll see different quiz options such as missed questions and correct answers. You can also assign point values for each correct answer. For example, you can set the points to 50 or any value you prefer. You'll also find response options. Click the drop-down to view them. Options include collecting email addresses from respondents. You can choose verified or respondent input and also send a copy of the response. Click the drop-down to set this to always or when requested. You also have the option to allow response editing. This allows respondents to change their answers after submitting. You can also limit responses and manage other submission controls. Next, open the presentation settings from the drop-down. Here you can enable options like a progress bar, shuffle questions, and confirmation messages. You can also mark questions as required so respondents cannot skip them. Once your quiz is ready, go to the Responses tab to view the scores. You can review responses individually or export them to Google Sheets. To export the data, click on View in Sheets. This lets you view and analyze responses more easily in Google Sheets. If Release Scores is enabled, respondents will receive their results automatically. Google Forms quizzes are great for tests, homework, and training. They make grading fast, organized, and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.